Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials. GPS is on and Indrive has location permission. Once done, open the app and sign in. Tap the map to center it. This forces the app to fetch your current coordinates. If a prompt asks for precise location, grant it. This improves accuracy for pickup pins. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active because Indrive syncs position with servers. Now pause only until the map shows the blue dot. That dot is your current location. Next, you place the pickup pin where you are. Tap the blue dot or long press the map to drop a pin at your current spot. If the pin is off, drag it precisely to your doorway or road. This is why precise location matters. You can also type an address or landmark into the search bar to refine it faster. Once the visible address matches your actual pickup point, inspect the street name, number, and any landmark fields. This prevents driver confusion and saves time. Finally, confirm the pickup by tapping Set Pickup or Confirm. Review the estimated fare and ETA before requesting a ride. If the app pins the wrong spot, toggle GPS off and on, or change location mode to high accuracy in your phone settings. This often resolves drift. If that fails, force close the app and relaunch or clear the app cache, then redrop the pin. One key troubleshooting tip. If drivers can't find you, share the pin link or send a screenshot. This solves most last-mile issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.